Yeah, baby. All right, come on. Come on, bub. Yeah, step over. Oh, let me fix your pants. I think we're zipped up all the way. All right, dude. Let's roll. It's foggy up here. Yeah, dink. Boom. All right, come on, you go in front. Go slow, though. Okay, it's slippery, yeah. Yeah, you'll bust your boom. Yeah, we don't want to bust our boom. Step down. Use your stick, like I showed you. Stick first, then you step down. Ooh, see? Yeah, see the tree? Yeah, somebody cut it and it fell. They did that for preservation. It's healthy. Hi, tree. Use your stick right. There you go. Tristan, we're so high up here in the mountains, we're in the clouds. What a foggy, hazy morning. So all the rain came and the waterfalls are flowing. Good job, baby. Hey, they're pretty trees. Look. Look, Tristan. It made it rain. That's pretty cool, huh? You want to do it? There you go. Easy with it, baby. Easy. Just dink it like this. Dink, dink. Go like that. Flip your hiking stick upside. You got it upside down, baby. No, flip it over. Here. There you go. All right, let's go. Dink. All right. Careful. Watch those roots, sweetheart. Yep. Oh, 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 get your balance. Good catch. Daddy about busted his butt. Those things are slippery. Slow down. Use your hiking stick. Put it in front of you. There you go. I hear the waterfall. Do you hear it? So this is our first hike of the trip. Tristan's Christmas trip. It rained last night, so there's a lot of water flowing. Everything's wet. The trail's very slippery. The clouds are setting in on our heads. But so far, so good. It's a beautiful thing to be in the Smoky Mountains. Yeah, big butt. Good thing about it raining overnight, we're gonna have some good water flowing in these waterfalls here. Nothing better than the smell of nature. Tristan loves it out here. I love the mountains. It's a beautiful thing. Father-son trips. Step down, sweetheart. Put your hiking stick down, okay? No, put it down like that, dork. Here, like this. When you step down, put it down, then step, okay? So let's try again on this one up here. Look, watch. Daddy's gonna show you. Look, right this. Look. Oh, look like. Watch Daddy's. Hiking stick down, step. All right, now you do it. Hiking stick down first, step. Good job. Next one, right here. All right. Hear the creeks? Look, there the river's flowing, baby. Come on, sweet pea. Good job. I want you to be careful through here, okay? You see all these roots right here? Yeah, I don't want you to fall on your boot. Put your hiking stick down first. No, baby, like I showed you. Come here. Look. Come here. Now come hold it. Now come step down.
Oh.
Yep. Down. There you go. Like that. Yep. Okay. All right. Good job, sweetheart. All right. Got a big rock right here, okay? Look at the pretty plants. Aren't those neat? That sound never gets old, does it? All right, stick down. Look, there's little mushrooms down here. Look. Here. You gonna see the mushrooms? Look. Look. Look at the mushrooms right here. Look. See them? All right, come on, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna hold your hand on this one, okay? This is kind of slippery, okay? Big rock. That's right. Hi, big rock. Bye-bye, big rock. All right. So be careful going through here, okay? Yep, step up. Good job. I got you. I got you. It's okay. It's okay. Here, I got you. You're all right. Pick your stick up. Okay. Right here, hold my hand. This is. Look at these roots. Look at these crazy roots. Oh, you're slipping, sliding. I got you. I got you. Daddy's got you. All right. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Not sure which way to go here. Let's go this way. Oh, look, I think I found a waterfall, Tristan. Here, I want you to come down this way, okay? Right here, there you go. Good job, dude. You want to walk out to the edge? Look. I got you. Whoa, dude. Look at this, is scary. Look. Look at this big rock. There's the edge right there. Uh-oh. Yeah, this is... I think right here we're on top of the waterfall. Whoa, dude. Look at this. Slow down. Holy cow. We're way up here. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at that, Tristan. Whoa. Wow, dude. Holy cow, we are way up here. I don't even know that you can hike down there. Whoa. Golly, look at this. This is scary, man. We're right on the edge of death. Wow. Whoa. Yeah, that's freaking scary, dude.
Bye-bye.
Cool waterfall. We're way up on top of it. Now let's see if we can get down to the bottom of it. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have to get you some different shoes, man. Those aren't cutting it. Those are not gonna cut it, dude. It's too slippery.
Hi.
Yeah, we're hiking.
We hi.
I got you, Bubs.